I've recorded my screen, edited my project, and it's now time to produce my video into a format that I can share. To begin the production process, I'll click the Produce Video As link located in the task list to open the production wizard. Camtasia remembers the preset and the corresponding dimensions I chose for my project settings and will recommend using the same settings for producing my video. In this example, the web preset is selected with dimensions of 640 by 480. And the format is MP4, which is going to give me a high-quality video with a pretty small file size. If I expand this preset menu, there are many other presets available to choose from for producing my video in different formats or dimensions. For best results, it's recommended to use the same preset in production that was selected in project settings during editing. So I'll stick with the web preset and click Next. I'll give my video a name and choose the location for saving it to. By default, this box is checked next to Organize Produced Files into subfolders, as it will help in keeping the produced files together. I also have the option to upload my video to Screencast.com, which is TechSmith's high-quality content hosting service. You can sign up for 2 GB of free server space on Screencast.com to help you host your videos. We'll talk more about Screencast.com during the share video, or you can click this link to visit the website. I'll click Next to see the final page of the production wizard, which lists the recommended production settings based on the chosen preset. I'll then click Finish to begin rendering the video. When finished rendering, the video will open in a preview window. I can now watch and share it with my intended audience. Let's open the production wizard one more time and look at some other options. As I mentioned earlier, expanding the preset menu displays a number of other production presets to choose from. If having more control over the video format and settings is important to you, then selecting custom production settings may be of interest. I'll click Next. And here's where I can choose the format for the production of my final video. As you can see, there are many formats to choose from. I'll stick with the recommended format of Flash and click Next to proceed through the wizard. I'll select a template and choose my dimensions. I recommend keeping the same dimensions or only change them to something with the same aspect ratio to avoid stretching the produced video. Flash Options allows me to customize my video production settings even more, but we'll cover these features in another tutorial. The Video Options page allows me to continue customizing my production with things like SCORM, adding a watermark, or even embedding the video into HTML. The final page of the wizard is where I enter my production name, choose a folder location, and I also have the option to upload my video to Screencast.com or via FTP. I'll click Finish to begin rendering my video. There are many options and control that I have over my production settings when I select the custom production path. You can learn more about these options in our Learning Center. Well, this should get you started with producing your Camtasia Studio projects into videos that you can then share with your audience. I recommend viewing the share video next to give you some ideas on how to share your produced videos. And thanks for watching.